my mind was thinking keywords or photo, keywords or photo. And I had to say keywords because these are the building blocks. But your first featured photo is vital. People buy with their eyes. We live in a world where you get on your phone, you scroll through, and you stop when you see an interesting video. You stop when you see a funny meme. You don't stop to read a 1,400 word text. So you must get that first photo right. Remember, people don't have the chance to experience, I know I'm using this really dorky tape as an example, but they don't have the opportunity to experience your product online. You go into a store, they can do that. They can touch it and see it and smell it and whatever if they're weird. But online, they can't do that. So you have to convince them with that first photo. And I always recommend 3D renders because they can make those look better than life.
The second most important thing is the first few words of your first bullet point. You will need to do what I call slapping your competitor in the face. You take their negative reviews and the things that people are saying and complaining about this product, and the first few words point these things out and how you don't do it. So it would be something like, unlike other products that do this, this, and this, our product has been designed to fix those problems this way. And that's how you grab the attention, and conversion rate can skyrocket when you do something like that.
To me is an accurate title. So same thing on the search results page. If people don't see the information they need to see in the title, it's very unlikely they're going to click on their listing. They're specifically looking for my MacBook Pro charger. You need that front and center in the title before the cutoff, before Amazon cuts your title off. You need to have that information in there. Also making it readable, not overly keyword stuffed. So having the right information, but still making it concise and readable.
Listen up. If you've been selling on Amazon for a while, you're probably owed money for lost or damaged products in their warehouses. So it's time to get paid for that. How would you like to quickly and automatically generate detailed reports for reimbursements that you can email into Amazon that are 100% compliant with Amazon's terms of service? Today's your lucky day because you can do all of this for free with Refund Genie, one of the powerful tools in Helium 10. I've gotten back over $20,000 in reimbursements. Head over to helium10.com/Refund Genie and start recouping your losses now.